Hey everybody, it's Ryan. If you are in need of some ski or snowboarding or active wear goggles like this, this video is for you. Now this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you do a little overview of our snow, ski, snowboarding goggles? Who am I to say no, but in no way whatsoever with it being provided to me, affect this review. I'm just here to keep it real. Now, first off, these are for youth. So these are the smaller version. I'm sure they have a variety of different sizes, but these are the smaller version with a teal blue color to it. Now these are also meant to be worn over if you have regular glasses, you know, for your sight. And so, for an example's sake, I have put a pair of, now these are adult size glasses, and you can see they fit in there. You would normally put these on and then put the goggles over it, but from a sizing standpoint, these are thick enough and wide enough even for a youth application to have the glasses on there. Some very cool specs to kind of cover here is one, if you are going to be wearing these with a helmet, the elastic strap is meant to either be worn with or without a helmet based on the size. So you have a lot of play here if you're wearing a helmet and you need the strap to go all the way around the helmet. Another cool extra benefit I didn't know was going to happen with these is there is a infused, I would call it a rubber coating. You can kind of see there's a little bit of a sheen here, a little bit of sheen. And so if you have these on a helmet or toboggan or whatever's on your head, this is really going to help minimize the straps from sliding up or down or off and really just kind of being a nuisance. The band that goes around is about 2 inches thick all the way around. You have complementing colors here with a similar blue color as on the lenses, as well as a yellow color there that is on the inside. On the inside, you have multiple layers of foam from a cushion standpoint. Now these come with a anti-fog coating, and because there is these vents right here on the top and bottom, you're gonna prevent air and moisture from accumulating in there and really kind of causing these to fog up, which nobody runs when they're out on the slopes. From an overall fit and comfort, you have 1 and then 2 layers of padded foam. So if you're curious what the tint looks like from the inside looking out, you have sort of this purplish, very light purplish violet color to it. You can also see here these little indentions in the foam, and that is to allow your glasses when they're open on your face from being able to sit there nice and comfortable and you're not pressing the glasses against any of these. That's also why these are a little bit probably on the thicker side this way, so when your glasses are on your face, they can fit nice and snug over it and you don't have any uncomfortable pressure spots. Now, as I mentioned, these are more of a youth style fit, but just showing you from an adult standpoint, these fit actually really nice, and I would feel comfortable wearing these from a comfort standpoint. They fit as far as around the nose, high enough on the head and around the cheeks, and this is all very nice and soft on the face. It's almost like I don't even have them on from a pressure standpoint. They're not uncomfortable at all. And as you can tell from the reflective finish, these are a mirror finish, which is going to help as far as the sun and trying to keep that out of your eyes. Now, if you're looking to find a pair of these super cool goggles, you can use the link in the description. And if you want to get 10% off your entire order from this brand, everything on their website, use coupon code RYAN10. That's RYAN10 at checkout, and you'll get 10% off every single thing in your cart. Hope this helps. If you got any questions, comment below.